Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to see blocked accounts on Twitter. So, without wasting time, let's start. So, first of all, I will tap on my profile option, which is present right here. After that, I will tap on setting and support. Here I will tap on setting and privacy. After that I will find an option of privacy and safety. Here I will find option of mute and block. After tapping on mute and block, I would see option of blocked account. So here we go. Here are the all account that I have blocked. I still have not blocked any account, so there is not a blocked account right here present right here. So if you blocked some account, you will find your blocked account right here. So that's how you can see your blocked account on Twitter. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.